Hi, this is the Galaxy Tab A9 and I'll show you how to find and manage sound settings on this device. So first open this settings application and here you'll see sound section. Tap on it. Here we could switch sound to mood to sound. We could switch ringtone and notification sounds. In system sound we could change the volume of the sound, and to activate or turn off touch interactions, dial pad tones, keyboard sound, charge and screen lock and lock sounds. We could in volume sections switch ringtone, media notifications, set system sounds by side to the left or to the right side, these blue dots, and also we could switch volume buttons function here. Let's go back. We could in sound quality and effects activate or turn off the Dolby Atom and Dolby Atoms for gaming option, and we could also use turn off or turn off the separate app sounds. And here we got the don't disturb mode. We could turn it on or turn it off to set the shadow and to allow some calls, messages or notifications just in don't disturb mode. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you liked this video, leave thumbs up and subscribe.